Everyone, my name is P. Sandeep Raghavendran. Today we are going to discuss about ozone preparation and structure of ozone and uses of ozone and ozone detectants and reactions of ozone. First, preparation of ozone. Ozone is prepared when pure and cold oxygen molecules are passed through a silent electrical discharge which gives ozone. Here, when three O2 molecules pass it through silent discharge in 142 kilojoules per moles gives 2O3. Next, structure of ozone. Ozone, the central atom in ozone is O, which has sp2 hybridization, and due to this, it has one lone pair of electrons, which it angle gives 117 degrees. Here we have the angle 117 degrees. The structure of ozone has two different types, which is resonance 1 and resonance 2. Or we can both merge and we can draw the structure into like this. And next, uses of ozone. The ozone uses have more in this regular life or living things, which is related to living things. First, ozone has the earth has an ozone layer which protects us from sunlight's UV rays, which has high radiation, which we can't live without. Ozone detectants. Ozone detectants. First, ozone turns the moisture of iodine to blue color, and ozone makes the mercury turn to mucus, makes it lose mucus and makes it to stick to the glass. And next, reactions of ozone. Reactions of ozone with Ki. Ozone when reacted with Ki gives 2KOH, and in the presence of H2O, which means moisture, gives 2KOH plus I2 plus O2. Here KOH is potassium hydroxide and I2 is iodide and O2 is gas, which is oxygen gas. And reaction with Hg. Ozone when reacted with Hg gives mercurous oxide and oxygen gas. And ozone when reacted with mercurous oxide, which we also call tailing of mercury. It is very important in NEET bits and CET. And PBS, which is lead sulfide. PBS reacted with O3, which 4O3 gives PbSO4 plus 4O2. Here PBS is black sulfide and reacted with O4, 4 molecules of oxygen gives white sulfate, lead sulfate, and 4 oxygen molecules. C2H4 reacted with O3, ozone, gives here this is called ethylene ozonoid, and further reacted with zinc and water gives this is also known as formaldehyde, and H2O2, hydrogen peroxide and zinc oxide. Next, ozone reacted with nitrogen oxide gives nitrogen dioxide and oxygen molecule. Here we discussed about proper preparation of ozone, structure of ozone, uses of ozone, and ozone detectant, and reactions of ozone with Ki, Hg, PbS, C2H4, and NO. Thank you for giving this opportunity.